Alright. Engine has some bad knocking. So, with this, it's got a cylinder 3 misfire. So, here, I will take this and see if I can fix the issue, or find the issue being a spark plug or coil pack. So, if it is a bad coil pack, that is one issue. So, come on. Alright. There we go on that. Okay. These two are getting swapped. I need to keep that in mind. What do I stand for? Okay. Got those flip-flopped. Should start up and okay, I'm gonna clear the code and see if I can get it back as something other than cylinder 3. Alright. Oh, that's weird. That's really weird. What? Okay, cylinder 3 misfire. Alright, I'm a dumbass. Ah! Oh, come on. Alright. Now that I've used my brain for more than half a second... hold on. This is cylinder 3, not this. Cool. I can set that up there. We know cylinder 2 is good, but that's not the issue. So what if we swap 3 and 4? Alright, and then spark plugs are also up here, but spark plugs could be an issue. Right now I'm just looking down here to see if anything down there could be an issue. I'm not thinking so. This looks good still. This is really hot compared to this one. So, like, that's the only one that's been really stupid hot so far. We check again. Okay. Cylinder 3 misfire still. I'm gonna flip these two back to where they were originally at. But I'm also gonna take out the spark plugs. Hey! Oh! Yep. That's the Misfire, alright. Now, this is just a test to see if the position of the Misfire moved. If it did, then we know the spark plug is bad, and I will clear the code. And I'm sure the Misfire is going to move to cylinder 4. Just looking at how gunked up that was. Gonna keep reading until it tells me the Misfire is back. Cylinder 4 Misfire, boom, got it. Alright. Give me just a moment to make a call and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just called. She did say replace all 4 spark plugs. So that's what we'll be doing. I will be right back with some spark plugs. Alright. Alright, so not that. To your mom. Okay. And two, three, four. Yeah, so these, here was the problem one. If you look there, you can see how it's all gummed up and nasty here. Right there. So when I took the spark plugs out, I was looking here to see what was going on with this. This is why I was thinking that flipping them was going to solve it. And it worked. And I now have a new set of spark plugs. So, if this box would open, if we compare these to the old ones, okay, we'll use hand tools to install because I do not want to cross thread these and create more problems for the customer. Slowly do this. Now, this tool does not have much torque. It is not meant to torque. This tool is designed for speed and low torque. So okay, all these is checking the gap and making sure that it's at 0.044, which it is. So each one of them has been up to spec. Ow, my fingers. 21. Good. I might need a longer extension in a second, which I have more, but alright, good. Good. Come on, there we go. Like, that's good. Okay. See what I mean by that tool doesn't get high torque? But when I say that tool is not very high torque, it's not high torque at all. So, alright. Last step is to put this back on. What is it? Alright. Now that that's all been connected, we do the final check of... Not what I wanted. Alright. Cylinder 3 Misfire on a Nissan Rogue.